Good morning, students. I hope all are well and good at home. Students, today we will read about the stem. Stem is one of the part of a plant. Students, the stem grows above the ground, we already know, right? See this image in front of you. Just you watch over it, students. The stem of the neem tree, the stem of the neem tree is shown in front of you. This stem is hard, strong and woody, no? This stem is called a trunk. The stem which is hard, strong and woody is called a trunk. Okay, students. The stem of the neem tree is given in front of you. This type of stem is called trunk. This keeps the tree upright, but the stem of a banana is green, thick and soft. Student, just listen. Banana has a green, thick and soft stem. Just you see image of banana. Okay. Now, the stem of the money plant is shown in front of you. It is also green, weak and soft. This type of plants need support to stay upright. Means climber type of plant. Climbers need support to stay upright. Okay, student. Now, let us read the functions of the stem. Okay, students. Now, we are going to read about the functions of the stem. Student, the main function of the stem is to hold the plant upright and support its branches. Okay, student. The main function of the stem is to hold the plant upright and support its branches. And the stem also carries water to the leaves, and the water taken in by the roots travels through the stem to the leaves. Okay, students. The main function of the stem is to hold the plant upright and support its branches. And the stem also carries water to the leaves. And the water taken in by the roots travels through the stem to the leaves. Similarly, the stem carries the food. Stem is shown in front of you. Stem of a sugar cane. Okay. The stem carries the food made by the leaves to different parts of the plant. Okay. The prepared food by the leaves is carried by the stem to different parts of the plant. Listen. Plants like sugarcane. In plants like sugarcane, extra food is stored in the stem. Okay, students? See the image. It is the image of the stem of sugarcane. In sugarcane, extra food is stored in the stem. And in plants like potato and ginger, the stem grows below the ground. See the image. It is the image of a ginger. And you are watching the stem of a ginger. The stem of the ginger is grown underground, below the ground, and it stores extra food in the stem. Okay, ginger plant stores its extra food in the stem. Okay, students. So we eat the stem of these plants. Which plants? Sugarcane, and we eat the stem of ginger also. Similarly, the stem of potato also grow below the ground. The stem of potato also grows below the ground, and it also stores its extra food in stem. So, we eat the stem of potato also. Understood, students? So, we eat the stem of potato also. Students, tomorrow we will learn about the leaves. Okay, about the leaf we will learn tomorrow. Today only this much. Thank you, students.